going on, guys? It's K-Dub here with another episode of CryptoZombie. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having an excellent day today. Bitcoin up over 13.5% today. We are over $43,000. We had an insane blast off from around the $40,000 level. We got all the way as high as almost $45,000 per Bitcoin. And although everyone was freaking out and worried about the Ethereum futures, while all that was happening, our good old buddy Elon Musk over at Tesla just announced that they officially bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Keep in mind, at these high prices right now, and they're also looking to offer Bitcoin as a means to pay for Tesla's products. So we have massive unexpected white swan news today. What an amazing way to start the week off. If you are here, congratulations. This is just the beginning. What is happening right now? The events that are being set into motion are going to change the world as we know it, especially those of us that are hodling Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. So in today's video, I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I want to talk about what happened, what this means for the space, and I also want to go into massive fundamentals right now that are brewing for Bitcoin that are setting it up for an insane parabolic rally. So if that sounds good to you, you know what to do. If you're not subscribed, consider it. We're going to give away the Ledger Nano S tomorrow. I'll give you guys one more opportunity. If you want, drop a comment below. You're eligible. We'll give that away at tomorrow's video's end. But we need to talk about this pump. Look at this futures candle. This is the biggest daily candle that I think we've ever seen, actually, in Bitcoin futures. I mean, is there a bigger candle? There's a pretty big one down here, but my goodness, guys, look at the markets reacting to this news. Bitcoin smashing an all-time high. Bitcoin getting above its technical $40,647 level. This is something that technical analysis cannot predict when a guy like Elon Musk, the richest man in the world, comes out and essentially pumps Bitcoin. You can see right here, we are way over the level that we needed to be. If we come down here and have a retest on the 4-hour and bounce off, I would say we're definitely going to 50,000, 55,000, 65,000. And some of these targets that we had around 100,000, well, we could be looking for even higher levels. And I'll tell you why, because fundamentally, we have an insane shift right now. Now, for a while, Elon Musk, he was just, talking about Dogecoin, and that was pretty much what he was doing. And a lot of people were sort of upset about this, that he was pumping it. Now, Blockport basically broke it down. If you haven't been following, on December 20th, we had Michael Saylor saying, yes, I have purchased over 1.3 billion in Bitcoin in the past month and would be happy to share my playbook with you online from one rocket scientist to another. And then he said something like, well, are transactions that large even possible? Then on December 30th, Barry Silbert, former Grayscale CEO, says, I see you, Elon Musk. January 2021, Tesla invests $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. Barry Silbert says this, Twitter is going to absolutely lose its shit when Elon Tesla discloses Bitcoin holdings. January 29th, Musk's add Bitcoin Twitter to his bio. So this is absolutely crazy. This is it right here. Shout out to Blockport for the breaking news. They have officially bought $1.5 billion. Now think about this. Think about the prices that they officially bought at. This is insane, guys. If you got guys like Tesla behind Bitcoin at these price levels, you know that we are headed for the moon. Also, they're looking to accept Bitcoin to buy their products, their Tesla cars, which is insane. But the biggest thing, the biggest takeaway from this isn't just the fact that Elon Musk pumped Bitcoin for the day. No, you're talking about the richest man in the world. You're talking about one of the most respected stocks, one of the most insane stocks, Tesla stock, putting Bitcoin on their balance sheet. This officially opens the door and gives the okay to the Fortune 500 companies, to every single company in the world to now have that Bitcoin on their balance sheet, and this changes the game. Michael Saylor, he started it, but Elon Musk, he officially started the explosion, the chain reaction, and this is just going to be something huge. You're just going to see now, we're going to get tired of reporting supporting companies that are doing this. And let me just tell you, not just that, but listen what is going on in the background. We have private equity veteran Glenn Hutchins, along with his son James Hutchins and partner Travis Scher, launched a new venture capital crypto fund with a list of investors, including fund billionaire Paul Tudor Jones, Twitter COO Anthony Noto, Wall Street executive Vincent Viola, and former TD Ameritrade CEO Joe Moglia. PayPal and Visa, on top of this, are announcing their crypto banking roadmaps. In an earnings call, the CEO Dan Schulman confirmed their plans for a 300 million customers, the 300 million customers that are currently using PayPal to be able to use cryptocurrencies at any of their 26 million merchants. He also announced that PayPal has launched a dedicated crypto business. On top of that, we also had Scott Menard of Guggenheim. Soon as he got that SEC okay to go and buy, all of a sudden, 30,000 isn't sustainable. Just kidding. Wait, no, we bought some. We're going to 600,000, right? So these guys are buying. They're serious. They're not going to be selling at a 5%, 10%. They're not even going to sell at a double. Michael Saylor said he's going to hold Bitcoin for 100 years. We talked about Ethereum a lot, but I think today is Bitcoin's day. Let's just focus on Bitcoin for a second. Bitcoin supply on exchanges, and these are the fundamentals, are now at their lowest levels in almost 2.5 years. We've had over 200 new Bitcoin whale addresses holding over 1,000 Bitcoin created just this year alone. Bitcoin's stablecoin ratio has reached a 1-month low, indicating a high buying power of stablecoins over Bitcoin and therefore an increased potential for an upwards movement. Coinbase and Binance have entered the top 1,000 most visited websites in the world, ranked 874 and Binance 839, and Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust reopened its doors to new investors in just the last 30 days. They've added another 1.5 billion, 42,223 Bitcoin, matching Michael Saylor, matching the Dogecoin CEO Elon Musk's Tesla purchase. We also have Tim Draper saying he's buying more Bitcoin. Mark Cuban talking about DeFi, buy crypto, the term, hitting an all-time high. Guys, this is crazy. Bitcoin futures market also exceeded over 2 trillion in monthly volume. This is just the beginning. And you know what, though? In retrospect, it was inevitable, wasn't it, guys? So I think what you are witnessing is history being made. This is the paradigm shift that everyone has been talking about and speaking about for 4 years. Buckle up your bags. We're going to the moon, fellas. I mean, the sky is literally the limit. If you just put, and remember we showed you these statistics, just 10% of these high net worth individuals, if they were to put their money into Bitcoin, I mean, you're talking astronomical levels. You're talking about potentially, actually, not just in theory, actually replacing gold or surpassing the gold market cap. Not that you're going to replace gold, but I mean, it is a possibility, guys. It is extremely possible that in the next 6 to 8 months, we could see a Bitcoin at $400,000, $650,000. And I know that those numbers seem crazy, but don't forget, guys, $44,000 for Bitcoin also seems a little bit crazy at these times right now, right? Now, having a look at Ethereum, there was a lot of FUD around that, but I think the Elon Musk situation just really made the entire market super, super bullish. You can see right here, we actually did have a bounce off that heart line over with ETH, and yeah, we're still hanging around above it, so it looks like the futures haven't really had too much of a play. I don't know how Ethereum is going to react after Bitcoin. Maybe once Bitcoin starts to settle down, you'll see some of those, the money always trickles down from Bitcoin into the altcoins. I'm still not going to rule a touchdown here out of the cards for Ethereum. Just being realistic here, I'm not going to get so moon boy that it's not possible to see Ethereum retest the $1,450 level. But right now, guys, it is a time for celebration. It is a beautiful day in the market. Give yourself a pat on the back. Congratulations. If you are here, you are still super, super early. And yeah, there are going to be a lot of very rich people this year by the time this is all done, which I still don't think it's going to be done. We may have a bear market for like a year or two, but then Bitcoin does its thing, retraces back to 100,000 and then pumps to 1 million in 8 years. So hodl strong, my friends. You guys rock. You're the reason that I do this every single day. If you're interested in the Ledger Nano S, we will drop that tomorrow. Drop it in the comments. I'll pick a winner. Let me know, where do you see Bitcoin price going at the end of this year? And as always, if you want to know how to make money longing or shorting, although really in these markets you could probably just dollar cost average, head on over to Bybit right now and use the link below in the description. You do get a bunch of bonuses, thousands of dollars in bonuses actually. Also, if you want to check out Femex, I have a link for that as well. They're doing a special promo with over $600 in bonuses, and you can trade some altcoins over there on leverage. Although I would be careful because altcoins are very, very volatile. But then again, so is all of crypto, right? That's why we love the space so much. So links below in the description. Thank you so much. You guys rock. Join the free Telegram. My name's K-Dub. This is CryptoZombie. Until next time, stay crypto. And of course, peace out.